that to still protect your like if you were going on a job interview, make sure you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Today we're making a raw vegan chicken salad. Let's get started. Okay guys, before this recipe actually starts, it is raw-ish because I am using canned chickpeas, so if that's a problem, sorry to the die-hard raw community, but for the rest of us, we don't mind. All right, let's get started guys with that processed up garbanzo beans that we did earlier. Those go into the bowl along with a half a cup roughly of celery. Then I was gonna take a half a cup of red onion, decided I want a little bit less even though we're gonna add some more later. So I'm doing a fourth a cup of red onion, but the recipe will be in the description guys. We're gonna add some more in later. Taking some baby dill, and I'm just literally just shredding it up with my hand. This is about 1/8 a cup that goes into our bowl as well. Cutting it up as fine as I can with my fingers. If you're a professional, use a knife. That's on you. I'm not there yet, so congratulations. Now I'm gonna take some of this Trader Joe's chickenless seasoning, a fourth a teaspoon. I'm gonna throw that on in there. And I really didn't taste this, you guys. I didn't miss it, but I didn't really taste it. So you can skip it if you like or up the flavor. Taking now some black pepper and some salt. This all could have went in there, but I thought it was too much, so I shoot it on away. Now we're gonna take a half a teaspoon of coconut aminos, but I ended up using a whole teaspoon. Again, not trying to confuse you, the recipe is in the description box down below, okay? Putting that in there. Now we're gonna take our soy-free veganese, roughly a half a cup. Now listen, this is gonna get real creamy, and I know y'all gonna be like, that was too much, but I love mayo, okay? I know it's not your typical thing that people say, but I love mayo, okay? So I didn't mind it being really, really creamy, but I am gonna add in some more celery and onions because this was a little too creamy. Taking a fourth a cup, and then some more celery, and then some more onion, okay? Okay guys, let's taste what we got so far. Let you guys know if we can add anything. I'm happy with the texture. Like, it's mush, but I'm gonna eat it with stuff. All right, so I sliced up a cucumber. Let's put a little bit on here. Oh, it looks so cute. I mean, it's dip, girl, please. All right, here we go. That's so good. Hold on. Wow. That was so simple. Yeah. I need a little bit more salt. But that was so simple. What? And it's different from egg salad or tuna salad. No seaweed and no black salt. So I'm used to those two flavors being in here. And then, come on. Now I've been spending way too much money on Whole Foods chicken salad, and I could have just been making it. A little bit more black pepper. Oh. Y'all. This is so good. Y'all make this. It is definitely raw-ish. I saw a recipe for a completely raw chicken salad, but it just didn't look good. It had broccoli and carrots and red pepper. I'll try it if you guys want me to. I will try it for sure if you want me to. But this is good. I don't mind raw-ish. Oh my gosh. Okay. Make this. This video is what? Shouldn't be no more than 5 minutes, okay? Make this. Bye. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time.